Not good example, sex ang priority. You must have misunderstood what I was trying to convey dito sa video na ito. Binanggit ko kasi sa video na to, no, na make small advances sa babae that you are romantically dating and get closer and closer to her physically until you end up inside of her. Meaning, mag-hook up kayo. Hooking up is very important. Why? Because it is part of the seduction process kasi. So, tama naman yung sinasabi mo na hindi dapat ginagawang priority ang sex kapag nakikipag-date ka. Kasi kung sex lang ang habol mo, edi mag-beer house ka na lang. Transactional basis lang. No strings attached. Remember the 3 H's? Hang out, have fun, and hook up. Ngayon, if sex lang ang habol mo, you will be bypassing the having fun and hanging out part, which are very important in the seduction process as well. Because doing these things will make the woman feel secure with you and have a genuine connection with her. Kuha nyo, isa pang point that I want to make is, like, kunwari, dinedate mo na yung crush mo, no? Tapos ang habol mo lang talaga sa kanya is sexy time lang, and hyper-focused ka na madala mo siya sa kama. If that is what you're focusing on, that will actually show through your actions without you even realizing it. And when a woman senses this, mararamdaman nila na, sex lang habol nito. And then, they will lose attraction for you. Lagi niyong tatandaan mga sigarilyo na yes, hookup is very important in the seduction process. But it is not the priority. That is not the main goal. The priority is to make the woman feel secured with you, getting to know each other on a genuine personal level, hooking up, and then making her fall in love with you eventually. That is the goal. Sex is not the end goal. It's just part of the process. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo, and if you want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.